Up first this evening, different views from government representatives on the controversial uniform policy of some schools.
Now, the issue was again brought to light after students of the Godfrey Stewart High School in Westmoreland were barred from entering the institution because of breaches of the school's dress code. Details in this report.
The Education Ministry staged its official launch of the 2022-23 school year Tuesday morning. But government representatives, including former Education State Minister and sitting Member of Parliament for East Central St. Catherine, Orlando Terrelong, used the platform to address a burning issue.
What is a school if our children are denied an education by virtue of being locked out of schools? What good is our motto as a nation that says every child can learn, every child must learn, again, if children are periodically locked out of school?
While Mr. Terrelong did not name an institution, his comments come on the heels of a disagreement among school administrators, students, and parents about school uniforms at the Godfrey Stewart High School in Westmoreland on Monday. While the school administrators say the students were not locked out of school, Mr. Terrelong believes there's a fundamental problem with the school's focus.
It is completely unnecessary that we police the length of our students' dresses and skirts, and whether a child's skirt resembles that of the chairman who spoke before me, that it does not deter them from getting an education. It does not. What deters our children from getting an education is when we lock them out of the schools, is when we send them back home into the streets and leave them to all sorts of dangers that lurk.
However, for Education Minister Favour Williams, the importance of adherence to school rules should not be downplayed.
If parents believe that the rules are for a different era, the proper thing to do is to engage the process. Attend PTAs, parent-teacher consultation meetings, speak to the principal, not just come in and cuss. What I say is, if we can't teach our children discipline in school, when do we teach them?
Ms. Williams then identified Godfrey Stewart High School in making this statement.
I want to say to the principal, we stand with you. We understand the situation. It's not what was reported in social media. Social media did not report it well. And we need to support our principals when they stand up for discipline in schools.
The launch was held at the Cedar Grove Academy in St. Catherine.